Indeed, a code red day, meaning conditions are going to continue to deteriorate as the night moves on. The heaviest snow over northern Nebraska, up in the Ainsworth, Valentine area, 12 to 18 inches of snow could fall. Heavier amounts further north up in South Dakota, maybe a couple of feet. And then the Ogallala down towards Imperial, 6 to 12 inches. North Platte, not as much now, but 3 to 6 could fall all the way up to Broken Bow, including Ord, O'Neill, Lexington into southwest Nebraska, and a band of 2 to 5 inch snowfall from northeast Nebraska to the east of Ord, down through Greeley, for instance, Kearney area, and then down towards McCook and just in and around the Oberlin, Kansas area, 1 to 3 inches of snow. Albion to Grand Island to Hastings, and then down into parts of north central and northwest Kansas. The blizzard warning because of this bomb cyclone covers most of Nebraska. Overlaying all of that is a high wind warning starting at 1 a.m. tomorrow morning, lasting until 10 tomorrow night. Winter weather advisories over the top of all of that for 1 to 3 inches, as we showed you, through at least the eastern portion of the Tri-City area. Otherwise, the blizzard warning does include Kearney, 2 to 5 inches of snow. It's what we call a cutoff line. That's why it's so defined as far as where the impact of this storm will be. That's because the surface low in association with this storm system will move off to the northeast. It's still termed a winter storm, even though it is spring. And we have plenty of snow to go along with this dangerous winter storm. It is now starting to fill in, as you can see, heavy bands of snow now moving towards the North Platte area. In North Platte, southern Lincoln County, some of the heavier bands of snow now starting to take shape as we see storms further south down into Kansas. In northwest Kansas, there are some very heavy rains with those storms as of this hour, with wind advisories, high wind warnings stretching all the way down into the Rio Grande Valley, anticipating more snow up in the Great Lakes and many more warnings in that part of the country. Futurecast shows that low as it moves off to the northeast. It will be Friday morning before it completely moves out of the state, and then we're left with strong gusty winds, so blowing and drifting snow, especially early Friday morning, will be noted across the area, and of course that will create some more travel concerns. Travel may become difficult to impossible later tonight in western Nebraska. Already those winds very strong, gusting over 35 miles an hour. We're going to see winds get stronger as the night moves on. Our Viero camera in Ainsworth, you can see the freezing rain on the lens of the camera. It is 29. North winds light, humidity topped out. The barometer is starting to rise at this hour. Temperatures in the 20s west, and you compare that to 60s southeast. It's 80 currently at Concordia, Kansas. So tonight in the Tri-City area, overnight it all transitions into snow and becoming a blizzard first thing in the morning with 60-mile-an-hour winds, and during a big share of the day as well. It does taper off late tomorrow night. Winds die down, but only a bit. We stay with strong winds through Friday, and lows tonight 20s west, 30s mainly. Highs tomorrow mainly in the 30s across the region. So ahead of us, it is a fast-moving system as it finally gets past us. At least a fast improvement would be more correct. 40 on Friday, 46 Saturday, all the way up near 70 as we head into Monday of next week.